Hey guys, today we're taking apart an HP Officejet 4630 printer. So first what we need to do is we just need to open the front door and let the ink cartridges slide over here and pull them out. And then we're just going to unplug the printer. And we can get started on this. So a lot of things are very simple to take out. We're just going to start with the loading tray. Pull it out, put it on its side, and then there's a screw right here that we need to remove. Screw on top here. Sorry, it's not visible. I just removed a screw over here. We need to remove that and this one here. See, like after removing it, you can just remove the whole piece here and take that out. Now we'll just remove the top cover here. Let's open this, then push this towards you. Oops. And also here. We're just going to remove the screws over here. First thing that I want to show you is to remove the power supply. It is over here. In order to do that, we just need to remove two screws. They're right here. Just lift that out and slide it out. And this is the power supply unit right here. Just disconnect it there and disconnect it here. Now we're going to remove the cover here. That's to get inside of the printer. And then what we need to do is we need to peel this back a little bit. The sticker with the model number. Just gonna peel it back with a knife. And we have a screw over here. We're going to remove that and slide the screen to the right and pull it up. Disconnect it over here. Now we have a few more screws under the screen, under the control panel. Now we should be able to pull it out if we got all the screws out. Remove this to the side. Oh. So this is the inside of the printer. That's how you get in here to check where your paper jam is, or if you want to change or clean the timing strip. That's the way to do it. So now we're going to continue and remove the formatter board. Just need to disconnect everything. This is the scanner attachment right here. I'm just going to cut that so we can we're going to unscrew this bracket. carefully disconnect everything, and then I'm going to remove this. So that's the control panel. The logic board. I'm going to remove this paper path cover. Now to remove the timing strip, we just need to pull it to the right and forward, like so, and then just remove it off this side spring and pull it out. Now the only thing that we need to get to is the carriage unit. So we already have it disconnected over here. And take it out of these loops. And there's a spring on this side over here that will just lift the screwdriver. Remove the spring. Try to be careful without damaging it. And then there's a this we can remove at this point. To get to this, let's just remove these parts here real quick. This is the top of the printer that we kind of just went by and didn't take apart yet. There's a latch right here that we can lift and pull the. This is the ADF feeder cover. You can just pull it to the right and get it out of the. We're taking the out of these slots right here. Now this is the ADF feeder. Also, to remove it, you're gonna push it, and out it goes. Then we can just loop it through here, unloop it, and get that out. This is the tray right here, the paper input tray. Just removed by 2 screws and pulled out. So that's basically it. You can just go through for this one. Then to get to the scanner, we need to remove all of these screws right here, all around, and then we'll be able to lift the cover here and get the scanner lamp out of this unit here. And back to our carriage unit. This is the clip that we need to get out. Just bring it to the middle. And same thing on the other side. So also remove it from the belt. It's a bit hard because it's all it's kind of down there, but it's doable. We can just remove this side right here. There's a screw over here that we need to remove. The side comes off, and same thing here. Just lift it. More screw right here. Lift it out of place. And then remove this spring. go. And we remove that. Now we can just pull the rod out. And we have our carriage unit out of the printer. So this is basically it for this printer. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.